Welcome to Product Critique. Today, we're diving into the best bling sheets on the market. The Outus 60,750 pieces Bling Bling Rhinestone Sheet. Whether you're a DIY enthusiast, a car decor lover, or someone who simply enjoys sparkle, this product might just be your new go-to embellishment. Let's kick things off with what makes this rhinestone sheet stand out from the rest: its massive size and density. This single sheet measures approximately 59 inches by 7.87 inches. That's 1.5 meters by 20 centimeters. And packs in an incredible 60,750 rhinestones. Each gem is a compact 2 millimeters in diameter, tightly arranged to give you maximum shine. That's a rhinestone density of 675 by 90. What does that mean for your project? It means the sheet is ultra-reflective, catching light from every angle, giving any surface an instantly glamorous, diamond-like effect. The rhinestones come in a B color, a beautiful iridescent tone that reflects a rainbow shimmer under light. It's not just sparkle. It's multicolor brilliance, which is perfect for everything from gift wrapping to customizing your laptop or jazzing up your wedding centerpieces. Ease of use is another major highlight. This is a self-adhesive vinyl wrap, which means there's no need for glue, no sticky mess, and no frustration. Simply cut the sheet to your desired shape or length, peel off the backing, and press it onto a clean, dry surface. Want to bedazzle your car dashboard? Done. Want to add shimmer to your makeup mirror, notebook, or furniture? Just peel and stick. And for durability, the manufacturer recommends leaving the decorated surface water-free for at least 48 hours after application to ensure long-lasting adhesion. Let's talk quality. The Outus rhinestone sheet is made of resin, not acrylic. This gives it a lighter weight, a more flexible feel, and more stable sticking performance. It's odorless, non-toxic, and safe to use on various surfaces. Plus, the rhinestones are firmly set into the backing, so you don't have to worry about gems falling off with regular handling or movement. Now, what can you use this for? Honestly, the better question is, what can't you use it for? This bling sheet is ideal for DIY car interior styling, custom home decor, scrapbooking, gift wrapping, and more. People have used it for decorating mirrors, cups, phone cases, remote controls, light switches, clothes, hats, even pet beds. Whether you're prepping for a wedding, a birthday party, Valentine's Day decor, or just adding a personal touch to your space, this sheet is ready to dazzle. To wrap it up, the Outus Bling Bling Rhinestone Sheet is a brilliant blend of quality, convenience, and wow factor. It's generously sized, stunningly sparkly, easy to apply, and built to last. For anyone looking to add a touch of glam to their everyday items, this product isn't just a decoration, it's an experience. Thanks for watching Product Critique. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and stay tuned for more real reviews of standout products. See you in the next one.